Hey everyone, I really hate doing negative videos, but this video is negative and it has to be in order to save you money. I wish I had seen a video like this before I had wasted a lot of money on the product we're going to talk about. Specifically, we're going to talk about Billboard vinyl reused tarps. And they're not all what they're cracked up to be. In this video, I'll show you why and show you what my experience with them is. So in this video, I won't be naming any names as far as companies that I dealt with. I only dealt with one. There's quite a few of them on the market. My neighbor Mike, he dealt with another one, had the same outcome. And it's the type of tarp it is. It does not hold up for hay, and it does not hold up for bad winters. Taking a quick warm-up break inside a hay pile. I shot this video about 2 years ago, only 3 months after purchasing the tarp, and had it installed on a hay pile here on the property. As you can see in the video, even back then the tarps were pretty much coming apart and not waterproof. Let's look at that same tarp now, today, 2 years later, and see what it looks like. Okay, as you can see right here, the actual mesh that's in between the two layers of vinyl is showing through here. That is still good, but the vinyl on either side, which makes it waterproof, makes it windproof, which makes it a tarp, has completely pulled off and just rubbed off and flaked off. So that means I got piles of vinyl laying around, which we don't need in the ground, and I got a mess. I'm gonna have to take this to the dump, pay to have it disposed of, and it's almost like you're doing a company like some of these recyclable places a favor. You're paying them some money, and then they're leaving you with the mess to clean up and dispose of. So they get you on both sides there. Let's take a look at a good hay tarp that is made for hay. So you give you an example. So here we go. As you can see, we're inside a hay pile right now, and the tarp that we have on top of it is a year old. There's a couple little pinholes here or there, but not much, not bad, considering it's been sitting on hay with snow on it. And you get a tarp like this, it is a little more expensive, in the $200 range, but it'll last a lot longer and it won't fail right off the bat. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe, share with a friend. Sure appreciate when I get comments. If you've had a like situation with that style of tarp, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, that like button really means a lot on the old YouTube algorithm. So if you wouldn't mind, I'd sure appreciate it. So take care, have fun, stay safe and healthy.